I know say, we did just try a thing, but we never know say I'm a powerful man.
I could have a joke here, make I could have fun, I could have whatever you want to take it as. I am not gonna be in any part of that.
Me just want the boy them go for one couple of days and come back.
Nothing to do with Obeah. You see me? Me no run no joke. You see me? For real, like, yeah.
You never know say I saw the little thing when me do rough.
I am not gonna be in any part of that.
Boy, Daddy Gargon. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Daddy Gargon. Good morning, man. May I tell you? Boy, I'm not there for bash, you know. But I'm just there for just give my 2 cents, you know. And give it respectfully, is it? You know, them have a saying, say, what a man take for joke, a man take life and death situation, you know. Man take it serious. And in the Bible, you know, because to my understanding he's a Christian, so you can't say a lie, me I tell. But it's in the Bible, it's life and death in the power of the tongue. Repeat that again. It's life and death in the power of the tongue. So you must be mindful, Daddy Gargon, of the things that you say. Right? You gotta be mindful. Sometimes we tend to do things and we don't think of the consequence or the reaction before we do it. Sometimes we move off impulse, we move off emotions, and we must understand that every decision we make in life come consequence we have to deal with. Now, as a Christian, as a churchman, as a elder, you shouldn't even talk about them Obeah thing there. Mix them thing there with God thing. You understand? You should not run them type of joke, the boss. You should run some Bible joke. You understand? Some Bible joke. Or if you have an issue or a problem with a man, you run something. You know, you say something else, more kind of skit, more funny or whatever. You get what I'm saying? Or just keep certain things. Sometimes you have to just keep them out sometimes. Sometimes as remember, you know, you're elderly, you know, so you're supposed to know them things, you know. And everything good for eat, good for talk, you know. You understand? So in what I try to say is not everything will come to your head. You have to say it. No, clearly, it to you say is a joke. So clearly you just have to do things for likes. You understand? For likes, for views, and it come off that you're not genuine. You get what I'm saying? And again, as I've said, I'm not here for bash or slander you, because I don't know you and I cannot judge you. Because the Bible says, he without sin let him cast the first stone. But you see my thing, and me see you make a video and say, yo, you read some comments. One say, a lady say, boy, daddy Gargon, I laugh to my hold my belly. And another one say, you just need to just apologize and move on with the life. And you say, boy, I'm not apologize. I'm not apologize to nothing. I'm not follow you. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, sometimes, you know, we as human beings, sometimes we make our ego, you know what I'm saying? Our ego get the best of it. And pride. Sometimes we have to set our pride aside. just take accountability and just say, you know what? I take a joke too far. And if you feel offended by my joke, you know, I apologize. You get what I'm saying? And just not make that mistake there again. A simple thing, you know? A simple thing if you just say, yo, if I offend anybody, man, I apologize. You get what I'm saying? That wasn't the intent. You get what I'm saying? And a person will respect you. A person might just not give in or accept the apology right away. But at least you'll be the bigger person for just, you know, take accountability and just apologize and move on. Alright, Daddy Gargon. Again, as I said, it could have been my grandfather, an elderly man. So I'm not going to bash him, I'm not going to call him names, I'm not going to do none of that. You understand? I'm not going to do that. I don't know you. You understand? I don't know, it's a disrespectful man. You do a thing, and the mass of people don't agree. And the man were geared towards and him team not really rock with it. So that's my opinion. You understand? Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. Them are gonna bash you, but just take the bashing, learn from it. You understand? And I make it happen again. Because remember, nobody not perfect. You get what I'm saying? Nobody not perfect. Only man perfect are God himself. I mean, now there come here and bash you because I'm not perfect. Me can fall one day. And me can fall and drop harder than you. And when I say drop, not literally drop, but something can go down. And me get slander the same way. That's why I be mindful. I try to come on this thing and slander. You understand? I not slander people. My thing is keep it real, Andrae. It's all about uplifting, encouraging, motivating, unity. That me promote on my channel. I no pick side, I no take side. Kemdeztv is my mentor. Big up Kemdeztv. I am one of the man who inspired me to do my YouTube and continue with my YouTube. I never talk to him yet. Never meet him yet. But because I'm good work and in positive energy attract me and motivate me to push through. And that's why I try to do the same thing and emulate the same thing. Alright? So big up yourself, Colaz. I'm out.